Are you looking to make a summer beach scented soap? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my Sun and Sand honey and oatmeal soap with colloidal oatmeal and embeds. Hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender. We fix dry skin so you feel more comfortable, plus tips on growing your skincare business. And if you want to learn how to make this soap, then you're in the right place. Plus, stick around, and at the end of the video I'm going to talk about the benefits of honey in soap. So let's get started. Okay, so now it's time to add the lye water solution to my oils, and I'm going to burp this real quick and then just pour this right in. Okay. Oops. It's getting towards the end of the day here. It's almost 4. I'm making soap all day. Okay. This looks nice and creamy. Do a little bit more. There we go. It's perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to add my honey, which is a beautiful ingredient. It's a Vermont honey and it's all natural, and it really does help with the skin to draw moisture to the skin. And it also hardens the bar, and it can make it go through gel because of the sugar content in it. So we'll see what happens. But the mold that I use for these, usually that doesn't happen, so it's not a problem. And then this is the oat extract right here. I'll pour that right in. Then we will add, I'm going to just mix this in a little bit here. Just whisk it in so it's all nicely blended. And then I want to add my oatmeal. This is the colloidal oatmeal right here. And all I did was just ground up steel cut oats. They're organic, and I sifted them, so there's like another layer to this, that they're a little bit bigger in size, the granules, and so I don't use that in this. I use it in my oatmeal milk and honey, or oat milk and honey, and that's in the video next if you want to watch that. It's oatmeal soap step by step, and that's like a layered honey soap. Okay, so now I want to add my fragrance oil, and I think that's about it. Oh wow, look at that. Oof, it's acting fast. Ho ho ho, look at that. Oh wow, it's accelerating. Okay. Ooh, okay, let me just mix it up real quick. That's a first. Okay, it's starting to rise. Okay, hold on. Sometimes that can happen with honey. Of course, my temperatures, maybe they're a little high. Okay, now I have to work a little faster. No more being leisurely about this. Wow, look at that. That's really nice and thick. But that's how you correct the racing. Okay, so let's get the molds here. That's why you want everything prepped. Hopefully you can see this. I can't really watch and make sure. This can become soap in a pot. Look how thick it is. Sometimes that happens with this fragrance oil. Oh, let's get chunky. Okay, let me just mix it up a little bit. So I just loosened it up a little bit. There we go. That looks nice. Okay, I'll get the other one over here. You just need to work quick. Boy, it's definitely hot. It's definitely hot. I should have been a little bit lower in the temperature, maybe at 100 with this. So I'll make a note of that. But it has to be 100. The oil and the lye solution. As it gets too hot, it can bubble over and it can get pretty dangerous. So you have to be careful. And it's because the honey has the sugar in it. It's just a natural reaction that it has. Okay, and I do have to tamp this down as best I can. Alright, let me pour the other one before it becomes soap in a pot. That's good. I have enough of the molds. I don't have to, look at it, it's getting all chunky. I don't always like to make little sample size. I like to sell the whole bar of soap. You know, sometimes I like it, you know, for little hand soaps and stuff. But with this one, I really just want to make the soap bars and not make little ones. Because it's another item I have to list on my website, and I don't want to do that. So this worked out perfect. Wow. This is a double batch recipe. I know I'm hiding the mold from you guys, gals. Okay. There. Alright. Okay, I'll tamp this down as best I can. Okay. That's why you wear safety goggles. Okay, so I'm going to add my embeds. Oops. Okay. There. Alright, batch number 1 is done. This one was the first one. And then I have this little doodad here. Look, ooh. That's why you have to wear gloves. Because you don't want to get that lye on your fingers. That would be really not good. It burns your skin. And if you're new to soaping, it's a good idea to have the poison control number, just in case. Always have water available to rinse, soap and water. Okay, am I going to have enough? Oh, let's see. Well, we'll do some sculpting if I don't. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's really firm. Get in there. It's already turning to soap. There you go. Okay, so what I'll do with this remaining ones is a little bit of sculpting. And I just rough it up a little bit so it has a little bit of a rough texture. There. It just adds a little bit of a visual interest to your soap. Yeah, that's good. Alright, that's it. I'm done. So thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching, and have a great day.